We have 8 distance learning Mondays throughout the school year. Distance Learning Monday started in 2020 after the beginning of the pandemic when we had to pivot. At that time we recognized our students benefited from being home and having the opportunity to learn virtually. Our students get out of practice sometimes, logging in from home, using Canvas and working independently. So by providing those 8 Mondays, students can keep that practice, and then if we did have to transition to an extended amount of distance learning time due to weather or other circumstances beyond our control, the students would be prepared.
So with distant learning for pre-K, it's really kind of a tool that we have to use to get them prepared for future years. And our lessons, we do them live in the moment because of this pre-K age. They really thrive on that interaction with their peers and with their teachers. Our lessons are a lot of hands-on activities, easy things that they can do at home. We do a lot of music and movement. We just try to keep it as close, mirror as close to the classroom in person as we can.
Our teachers have a lot of responsibilities on those days. They do Front Load Friday, where they are prepping students, preparing them for the Learning for Monday. They'll do their online lessons on Canvas, which is our learning platform. And then they are available for student support and emails and contact with parents and families throughout that Monday.
During Distance Learning Mondays, we really get a chance to kind of dig into the data that we've put together with them and look at the progress they've made this year and just kind of see all the skills they've learned, and then we find the skills that they still need to make more progress on, and we kind of go from there. We just see that growth, and you just really know like what you're doing is effective. So being intentional on Mondays has been really helpful.
Our biggest learning lesson over the past few years is just to be flexible, to listen to the needs of our community and our students. One thing that we have noticed is mainly middle school and high school students, they also use this as an opportunity to get caught up on other assignments and be more proactive in their own learning.
The benefit for students that I think is probably the best is not only that we get to work to make ourselves better for them, but when they're home, they have to work on their self-discipline of being able to get online and get their work done and take that time and not just see it as a day off. They have to have some time management and some management skills. And not only that, they're able to have from Friday, at least for the high school, from Friday to Monday to work on their assignment. They don't have to necessarily do it on Monday. So it allows them to learn how to, okay, I have this, and I might need to do this on Monday so I can do my work on Friday evening or on Sunday afternoon. And that's a great skill to have as they transition to college.
We prefer in-person instruction. That's the best practice for most of our students, but it also prepares us if we have to make a change. We got feedback from our community about whether they preferred extending our school year due to weather or whether they preferred building in that time through distance learning. And the majority of parents prefer it when we can do some virtual days and have a good window so if they need to plan family vacations or set daycare. And it provides our parents that known last day of school.